Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. I really just spent $700 on Kai. Yes, I did, so you didn't have to. If we all remember, my first experience with Kai was a little bit not too high. This time around, I got a variety of sizes so we can pick and choose. Let's just go. This is the suede stretch, not I'm gonna sneeze, maxi dress. And I got this in the size extra large. Wait, I was ready to drag this to fill. Maybe I should have put something supportive underneath. Why is this like this? I'm confused. What? I'm a little shooketh. Do you see me in this dress right now? Girl, the kind of fabric this is, you can see it all. All the crevices, the lines, the onion. It's to the point where you can see my body in my mom's womb. But I'm not complaining. I think if you have the right appropriate banks on underneath. I don't know how long this is supposed to be. With my little 1-inch heel on, it's just to the floor. If we take a moment to just put our hair up, it might be a look. This is for $98. $98. Girl, just round it up 100. That's just offensive at this point. The fabric is so interesting. It's very soft. It's not silky. It has a cotton spandex lycra type of fabric. Stretchy. This cream color could have gone wrong. It could have looked like dirty old coffee stain on your teeth, but it's actually super sophisticated. It feels classy. I mean, I'm not too happy with my body right now, but it's making me feel comfortable. I'm completely nude, and you can't even fake it. Look at me sucking it in. You could totally tell I'm holding my breath, and I'm not like living. I'm, however, so obsessed. This ribboning, elegant, like you're not supposed to talk to me, look at me, or even think of me. Except this side, it looks like I took a paper clip and I just clipped it together or something. The neckline comes up very high up. I didn't think I'd like it, but I'm like, yeah. Maybe I'm black because we're not getting away with no Kim K Jenner sisters hippity. But we are getting away with the fruit stand because you see full on effect my apple body shape. I expected myself to hate this, but I'm not. I feel like I'm modern. I just don't wear things like this, so then I'm like feeling it. But in all reality, I'm just a little insecure piece of. It's so bouncy. Ooh, what if I cinch it myself? Created like a pouch of bagginess to blend my bagginess. You can even use this to like block your arm fat a little bit. Oh, I have such a slim arm, you think? What foolery. This is my arm, girl. Watch it. I feel the LA vibes. I'm supposed to be in the spotlight. Okay. I'm highly impressed. I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5. I swear I will not be friends with you anymore. Let's just look at this skirt first. Sleek stretch asymmetrical skirt in the size medium. I wanted to play with the sizes because I thought maybe, just maybe there's some hope left. It's okay, but it's definitely like, how about to splice me in half? As you can tell, don't do that. I think you are supposed to wear this so low actually, like this. I can't right now. You're supposed to wear it like below your belly button or something. It's supposed to be a midi skirt. I honestly am too broke to afford this, so I'm just gonna take as much as I can get because look how this changes my body shape. This bodice tucked everything in to this. Girl, play your cards right. I don't even know how to describe this. It's stiff. Nothing compared to what we just felt. I guess it's kind of cute if you do wear it like this. Ooh, girl, a little short back here. Trying to get free drinks. I do not love how this embodies my body. I don't want it. I don't like this. No, thank you, man. I feel like a car that just got wrapped. Maybe if I got in that size extra large, like the dress we just tried on, that could have been a different story. But you know what? This is our story. Enough with the what ifs. Sometimes I almost wish that this was my butt, like all this juice was back here, and then this flatness was here. I think when God made me, he accidentally like put in the wrong ingredients in the wrong places. But you know, we do what we gotta do. The skirt is so tight at this point. This part that flares out is coming out of my stomach, like underneath my belly line. No, no, no. You guys remember that song? No, no, no. Let's move on to this match, stretch, twist top, whatever it's called. For $52, you can buy yourself confusion. I am so confused. I think you're supposed to twist this on your own when you get it, so, oh. That kind of helped it, right? Work for it. You bought it, but work for it. Create a cross on your shoulder. There you go. A little spice for your life. I mean, call this creativity. I'm not knocking it. I think it's pretty cool on her. For someone who barely has shoulders, like, I'm not sure what I'm looking at. Am I rolling it the wrong way or something? It's not the most flattering on someone with the pits like this, okay? What? Am I wearing this sounds right. For $52, you buy yourself a puzzle. Riddle me this. I thought this shirt could be fun to add to my wardrobe, but I don't think so. First of all, it's mesh. So you're gonna have to wear a tank if you're more conservative underneath. And who likes to layer? If you like to layer your clothes, you are a foreign creature, okay? I hate the neck redunculus. It's not wide enough to be an off the shoulder to give you more space, but it's not short enough to like just cut you off completely. I mean, it expands enough, I suppose. Enough to wear. Enough to what? Enough to how? What am I supposed to do with this? On a body shape that has like broad round shoulders like me, where you have a muffin top and you have a muffin top. There's no like sharpness in the shoulders, you know, or like the collarbone moment. I might pop a vein. 2 out of 5. You take a moment, okay? Just observe. Just take your time. I'm getting sick of doing this. This top is in a size large. These pants are in a size extra large because again, we're playing with sizes because I'm in an awkward state with my body. I truly don't know what I am anymore. A creature at best. And this is not me just trying to make a foolery, a clownery of myself. This was the top that Kai wore. Freaking phenomenal on her body. I think it's honestly the outfit that got everybody really excited for the second drop of Kai. Before you decide anything, if you are a mid-sized girly, don't get a large. Get like a 2XL. I'm dead ass because it does not stretch. Do you think I want my blood circulation cut off? My brain is, I'm deluded. I do not want to be in this contraption right now. And it was $58. I feel like I'm unleashed. Mr. YouTube, I covered up. I learned my lesson. Oh my lord. Oh. I need a break. Just to show you guys, that's it. You know what? Let's talk about the pants. It's okay. There's a strap that goes across your belly. Oh, look at this. This is extra fabric that you're supposed to like flap over your tummy, which I mean could be good for an extra layer of just something there, but you see the trouble? I feel like you had actual hips that can stretch out this area. This wouldn't feel so baggy saggy. It's not like I have a choice. I have to go with extra large because trust me, if you think this is bad, a large would have been worse. At least you don't really see a camel toe because it is a little bit baggier. As an extra large, long, it's holding by a strand, guys, so it doesn't unfold like this. What? They literally just made holes for these pants and then they cut it off. No cinching, no stitching, nothing. They just folded it down because that's the style. Put 2 little pins on the side so it doesn't roll up. What else can we make? Add an extra band that literally looks like a freaking underwear coming out from the back. Does it not look like a thong? I don't know, girl. I'm not convinced to recommend this. It's just up to you. I don't know what to say. I don't love it. I don't hate it. For $80, I just don't like that they made pant holes. And they literally cut it with like a paper cutter, a thread in each hip, made a G-string thong lining, and called it $80. I give it 1 out of 5. Listen, Linda, I've yet to fully admit this myself, so I guess I'm admitting this to you first. As we've all gathered, I need professional help with my body. It's no secret, you guys have seen that I'm at a high with my weight. And hauling all these clothes for you guys, as you can imagine, currently it's been really difficult. Filming these videos, it's a constant reminder of the distaste I feel with my body right now. And you have to remember, I edit my videos for days, so I'm constantly watching myself. Anyway, to be continued. The only thing I do, however, pride myself in is being a stickler for supplements that has simplified my wellness regime. It's the only thing I've been consistent for a year now when it comes to my health, and I think that's something to celebrate, right? Kara makes it super easy for me to grab and go when my vitamins are packaged like this. Mentally, my state of mind gets super groggy and foggy. I was gonna say soggy. That too. Especially around that 2 o'clock midday mark, snooze. I am cursed. That's when Kara comes in clutch. So rhodiola it is. It seriously has helped me reduce stress over time and sharpened my focus. How do I know this? Because I've been taking it for a year. I also lack in fish oils because I'm a wimp when consuming anything that swims. So I've convinced myself that's probably why I have low brain power. Therefore, taking my omega-3 fish oils is crucial to my everyday and my health. And my heart. It's beneficial to everyone, especially women. So girl, get started by taking that short online quiz about your lifestyle and your health goals. Linked below, use code FEI50. And Kara will do the work and give you doctor-backed recommendations because we're not certified, okay? Listen, Linda, the curated supplements are designed to work with research-backed ingredients and optimal doses. They know what they're doing. If I didn't believe in the products, I would have personally stopped a year ago, but here I am. Especially because I'm in this tsunami of a roller coaster with my physical body. At least I still feel good taking my vitamins because those little things go down your throat, melt into your crevices, and then enrich and boost your system. At least that's how I envision it working. So yeah, again, code FEI50. Okay, now this top, let's talk about it. It's so short, it's a large. How is this a large? Where? In what universe? I feel like I'm missing my sleep. Like this just doesn't make sense for my body. I think it looks fat on the models, and I'm sure on Kylie, and girls who are shaped like Kylie. And I'm not here to like make us pick sides, be like, oh, it only works for like tiny girls, not average chickadees. Everyone's body is different. On this channel, we represent mid-size, plus size, curvy size, thick size. Okay. Hi. And no. This looks like I seriously either I lost a sleeve or I meant to cut this and I forgot. So short. Holy moly. It's mesh. It's stretchier than the strapless, clearly. The necklines are pretty similar, just very up there in your business. Oh my god. I'm gonna rate this a 1 out of 5. 0.5. I don't know. 5. This is a size large for $78. Extra large fits way better on my body. All sorts of crazy. And then like look at these lumps and chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 rolls going. The onion is oniony. The way my love handles are being squeezed out. I forgot I gotta work for this dress, so I gotta twist it. This has to cross over. It's like dough. You gotta play with it. What the actual? I swear I'm wearing it right. There's just no way of it sitting on its own without it wanting to roll off. And then look at this sleeve. Like what? No shade to the fabric though. I love this texture on the body. It's like Sphinx. I much prefer the longer dress. I think it's way more fancy. This looks... Are you... No. I feel like I'm wearing a purse and I have to go like... You might as well just like make it shorter. It doesn't feel expensive. It feels cheapioso. It's not horrendous to the eye, but I don't think it's flattering to the eye. I feel like a silkworm at best. For a slight second, just a slight second with that first dress, I had a lot of hopes for this. I really did. Imagine wearing this out. What are you doing? Baking, kneading, my flour, my dough. At this point, I'm gonna open up a whole bakery. 1 out of 5. Finally, my redemption. This is similar to what the long dress in the beginning we tried on. This is the same style, but it's a shirt. And I had to put on these paper making pants. I'm just realizing you can undo the knot, I think. I'm not a huge fan of this paper clip fan moment right here because it really does look like my mom did it for me on the way out. But that's besides the point. I think this top is super elegant, very buttery. The tatas are giving Kylie Jenner, okay? The waist looks nice and tiny in this top. I think I'm just really obsessed with this ribboning scarf moment. Even though it's super classy, I feel like you can wear this up or down. You could totally make this more casual. Not these dress pants, but like maybe a skirt. I love that the length does not drown your torso. It's like perfectly for my size torso, I think. It's like that long. It's not bad. You could tuck it if you want. It just sits so clean on your body. Just wear a really nice bra like Selma bras. I don't know. But also because it is a top, you don't have to worry about like your fupa or your onion or your camel toe in the front or the flat cookies at the back because you don't gotta be like this. The low bun or something, going out to dinner, getting your allowance. Again, the neckline comes up pretty high like everything else. I don't know what it is, but on the black mesh ones, it just did not look good like this ivory cream because I don't mind the neck here. I don't like it on the black tops at all. I feel minimalistic. I feel like I'm making a statement without making a statement, you know? Finally, 5 out of 5. See, I'm nice. All black. Let's go. This dress feels a lot better than those tops. It's the same style, the knotted twist spread look over here, and then the quarter sleeve over here. In a dress form, I do feel like this is a lot more tolerable because this fabric is pretty much the same from the ivory. It feels nicer on the body. There's nothing out of this world about this drop. Everything's just rinse and repeat. Black does help with all the lining and the tucking. This is just to show you guys how it looks on an average body versus the beauty standard. Unpopular opinion, but this does make a good funeral dress. I mean, kinda, right? I can't believe that out of everything, I'm keeping one thing. It's just not for me. I'm not saying this looks bad. I think I could pass with this, but in true honesty, like with all the things we did try prior to this, we know it'll look better on a tiny waist, big hips. You know what aesthetic you have to be to make it look jaw-dropping. Instead, I got a belly flopping. I don't know, 2 out of 5? And that is it for my Kylie Drop 2 review. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys. We all come in different shapes and sizes, and sometimes it's just not for us, and that's completely okay. That's why I do these reviews. If you're shaped like me, let me know your thoughts. Bye!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these rides.